Hey, I'm Liam, aka Grey Rose, and today we're going to be doing some more XSSy labs to try and get to the Hall of Fame. We're now, I think, 14 points off getting there, so hopefully 3 labs. So if I don't make a complete hash of this like I did last time, we should hopefully get there with these next 3. And then I don't know, maybe I will do the rest of them. Maybe I will do the rest of them. It's not really a road to the Hall of Fame at that point, but it's maybe cementing us in the Hall of Fame. So CSB exfiltration, let's get going. Let's close all these first. So this is in the exfil lab, so we are going to need our payload hosting, because we're just going to need the access log. What I'm actually just going to do here is, can you set this from the title? Oh, you can. Oh, nice. So I'm going to set this to, I think I knew that, to payload hosting, just so that I know not to close it at the top. That's my top trick of the day. Top trick. Yeah. Right then, let's enter our name and let's have a little look at this. How visible is that? Kind of. Okay, cool. Wow. We'll try and do as much of this in the browser as possible then. Default source none, image source that, style source unsafe inline, script source unsafe inline. Okay, so we can't notice default source. We are allowed to execute scripts inline. So what we can do is we can just go script alert document. And that will keep cooking. Now, what we can't do is send that anywhere, which is frustrating. We can do style sources. We can do so image sources locked down to XSSy.uk. Style sources there. Default source is none, so we can't just fetch stuff. We can't do. I can show you what that looks like actually. If I grab this and copy index.html, copy link address, I'm pretty confident this isn't going to work. Fetch. Yeah, constants policy directs to source none. Connect source was not kind of instead. Jesus Christ! Don't ever fuck off. Fucking AIs everywhere. Use the skills yourself. Big gimp. Previous sketch because it violates the document's content security policy. Cool. Now, so we can't just fetch it to exfiltrate it. So we have to do something else. Now, styles are allowed, things like that. I think, let me just have a little remember. Yes. So what we can do here instead of doing, let me just reload that, copy that. It doesn't allow you to, so normally when we're writing XSS payloads in the real world, we don't want them to be noisy. We don't want them to demonstrate that, or tell a user that they've been hacked, because you want to do it silently so you don't get caught. However, what you can do is trigger a top level redirect. So if you go URL equals that plus, and let's just go plus document.cookie, so it's passed as a URL param, and then we're going to do window.location equals URL, right? And what this is going to do is it's going to, I'm just going to copy this, but I'm going to do this first. So we do that. If we do this, we should, oh yeah, we forgot to encode that. Your plus signs have to be %b, otherwise they won't work. There you go. Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. So that's how that works. Oh yes, this actually, I might just do that to app.js, because otherwise that's going to redirect you quite a lot. So percent to b again, and let's do app.js. That's the other thing might not work. Might not like it. I'll actually just grab the whole URL and submit all of this like so. I'm going to sit here, wait, and bang. Grab our flag. All we've done there is we've done a top level redirect. So find our URL with document.cookie, %2b, window.location equals URL. Sorted. Did that in 5 minutes. Oh, we're going to do it. I can feel it. 160. Right, 2 more labs and we're there. 2 more labs. Let me just go to Access Labs. We are, right, referrer check. So presumably this is going to be a lab where if I mess up my referrer header, it's going to sit for. So if I say that's testing, it's going to go forbidden referrer. The referrer header is some header that's automatically set. Now, fortunately for us, it is also attacker controlled. Well, I say that you are able to define whether your page allows a referrer to be set, because when they were defining this, I guess it's more important that a page decides whether another page receives its referrer, because there can be sensitive things in the URL. So you can just say, I don't want you to send a URL, and presumably, if I blat this, we get our thing. So what we've got to do is this is technically a cross-site request forgery lab, but it's fine. It's fine. Let me. There's a meta value that I've fucking forgotten. I think one of my first blogs was actually on cross-site request forgery. Site request forgery on company sites. I still had hair when I was when I wrote it. So unfortunately, yeah, it's just no referrer here, isn't it? Cool. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do this. Go back here. No referrer. Probably spelled that wrong. A referrer was actually misspelled in the original RFC, which is why it's spelled like that. So we're going to set a meta tag referrer. Unsafe URL is a different set of allow listing that we might end up doing, but no referrer. I think it's set. Is it no dash referrer or no referrer? I search for referrer. I think it's, oh no, it's right above the one I was fucking looking at. Yeah, it is no dash referrer. Right. Grab that too. We do that. Yeah, nice. Meta name no referrer. We then go here, inspect. Bang. That is HTML. Name value equals. Let's grab our XSS payload. Strip that cookie. Control A, Control C. Bang that in there. Right, so now that's the value set. Nice. Target.ftl, but we actually need that. I always forget to do this, so I'm fucking impressed that let's do this way. So let's just record. It's just not send to repeat a copy URL. So that's the action. Save it. Go here. Grab ID. Set that here. Save it. Play it. Bang. Grab it. Copy link address. This one. What's that me on? Okay, 10 minutes. Nice one, nice one. Oh, beauty. Right, are we ready? Ready for the last one? We're almost there. We're in kissing distance. There's just one. There's just one more lab. Oh, I'm so excited. And we get to do it in templates. Oh, and it's Mechatex Lab. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Bollocks. No, fuck. Don't do this to me. I'm too excited. Too excited. We've got 10 minutes. Feel the excitement. Feel the excitement. Right then. Let's do that. Hello test. Okay, that has stripped something. Let's see what it stripped. Document.write. Hello test. Ah, we're literally in template strings. Backticks are template strings. Backticks are template strings. So do you know what a template string is? A template string is backticks. Backticks are template strings, and you are allowed to use this templating engine within them. I've got so excited I haven't explained what that is at all, but I think we just did it. Read it and weep. Woo! Did it. Right, so there we go. Road to the Hall of Fame. Oh my god. It's a shame. Mechatech beat me to it, so unfortunately not first, top and bottom of the Hall of Fame at the moment. Just, you know, we all got the same points, it's fine. It's not need to win. But anyway, going back to what this is, if we were to view page source here, you can see that this is this URL parameter is reflected here. Now, template strings, let me show you this in the console, are things like that. But say you wanted to dynamically set a parameter, you could use a template string like this. So if you wanted to go document cookie, there you go. You could then use that to create, but it evaluates the string. So this is effectively just calling eval on that. Not quite, but functionally. So yeah, we can do, we can just call our alert in there. Bang, got an alert. Well, we did it. That's it. Success. I don't know what I might do after this. This was kind of just a bit of a experiment, really. If you liked following along, I can keep going. I do enjoy cross-site scripting. There's some other stuff. I could do the SQL labs as well, which are a bit more interesting. I mean, most of them can be solved by SQL map, which is less fun, but there are some kind of quite interesting, quite challenging ones there. I don't know. Let me know, and maybe see you in the next one. Maybe.